The most valuable part of the training for me was to actually start talking about the actual exercises, learn how to project what I want to say, and really that communication part for me was crucial, because before I came to this course I was not quite sure if I would ever be able to start to communicate and explain to clients how to do the exercises, but now I feel much more confident to do it. My name is Eva, I come from the Czech Republic and I am a nutritionist. I've been training since a while, and so what motivated me to do the course really is because I've been really enthusiastic athlete and I've been training myself a lot, and so I got a lot of feedback from lots of people and they were always telling me that I should be a PT, and I always refused, but then I thought about why not, yeah. And this is my passion, so I want to follow through and also obviously combine the two things, the fitness and nutrition, which I think makes a lot of sense. I've done a lot of research, so I was coming back to Europe from Australia and I wanted to do it in Europe, closer to home, and I've done some research and I found a lot of good reviews and good feedback from people, so I decided to go with it. Before the course start, I was not quite sure what to expect, so I didn't actually have that much expectation, but I have to say that this course exceeded my expectation in so many ways. So yeah, I've been really good with the content of the course, which has been great, and the mentoring from Toby and Mike, they are just amazing. So yeah, I'm really happy I enrolled. My experience with the online platform was good. I thought it was really well structured, and I found that I could follow the kind of the format of the course was quite easy to follow, and then there was when I submit my assignments, the response was really quick as well, and then I just had to redo a few things. So yeah, it was really supported and really well designed, I think. In terms of the practical course, I think I learned a lot in these 2 weeks. It's challenged me and it put me out of my comfort zone. Obviously, a lot of time I had to really push through it. And I learned a lot in these 2 weeks, and it's been also quite physically demanding, which I knew it would be, but actually the physical side of it was actually quite surprising for me as well. The most valuable part of the training for me was to actually start talking about the actual exercises, learn how to project what I want to say, and really that communication part for me was crucial, because before I came to this course I was not quite sure if I would ever be able to start to communicate and explain to clients how to do the exercises, but now I feel much more confident to do it. I think the hands-on experience, it was absolutely crucial for me. I think if the course was just online without the practical 2 weeks, I don't think I would ever be able to achieve what we achieve here in these 2 weeks. So yeah, I think the design of the course is really good, because first you have that online, you learn a bit, but without the practical course I think it would be very, very different. Yeah, I definitely think the course was a really good investment. It was really good money spent for me, and I believe that it's gonna return in the future as well. I think in terms of skills, mostly the communication part, I think that for me was the most important, because I don't believe I'm such a good communicator, so I was a bit worried about before coming here, but now because we have to talk every day and explain all the time over and over, I think that improved for me a lot, so I feel much more confident in that. And also in the terms of delivery of the exercise and the actual technique of the exercises, because at the beginning I wasn't quite sure if I was doing some particular exercises right, and some of them I was doing wrong for sure, so I think that I understood much more about in this course. In terms of my confidence now, I feel I can go out there and actually teach other people how to do exercises, so yeah, I feel confident to be a personal trainer. So for me, the plans now, I am not quite sure, because I'm moving countries again, so I will be student, so I am hoping to use this as a part-time job alongside my studies, because I cannot commit to the full-time just yet. But eventually, of course, to combine the PT and nutrition, that would be my ideal situation.